Hello everyone, this is the video number 16 of Database Management System subject question and answer video series. Okay, let's go to see the question. This is a scenario combined from question number 16 to 20. Let's read it. The marks of the term examinations of Kaluvila Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all the students studying in his school in a computer system. Okay, that means they are telling them need the computer systems to put the marks on it. Then they can reduce their time to the manage marks. Okay, then they are telling the software was developed by a software development company called AI Software. The software should be able to store all student term scores and student assessment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of students in grade 11 as the first stage of this software. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating a database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. Okay. Then they are telling they need a software, and the software was developed by a company called AI Soft. As well, you are working as a senior software engineer. They are requesting to create a database. Okay, let's see. Question set 16. First requirement, they are telling create a database name exam marks DB to store student marks. Use the ER diagram to create this database. They are telling use the ER diagram method here. Okay, let's do this. To fulfill this requirement, I am using MySQL Workbench software. Here's the first interface. There are 3 connections. I have already made the DBMS connection for this subject. I'm going into it. Now we have to make a new database. That means a new model. I'm going to create it. Go to file, go to new model, then in my DB here, double click on it. Then we can rename the name of the database. They are telling name is exam mark DB. Then click the rename references button. Okay. First requirement is done. Then they are the second one, create a table name student to store students data. Create the table according to the instructions below. Here is the instructions. Table name, column names and data types and their lengths. Let's create it. To make a table, I am going here that add diagram and double click on it. You can see a new area was formed. Here there is an icon for place new table. Double click on it and click on the area you want to create the table. Again double click on it to get the details of the data. That means rename the table and add the columns. Table name is student. First column is index number, as well as this is the primary key. Also it has 10 variable characters. Next column name is first name, then the last name. Then the gender, it has 10 variable characters. The final column is contact number. It also has 10 variable characters. Okay, you can see the data was updated real time. Not there, the columns and their things updated real time here. Okay, second requirement also done successfully. Then let's go to the third requirement. They are telling the school has 2 grade 11 classes. Create a table called class to store the details of those classes. Okay, let's make a new table named as class. Go here, double click on it, click on area you want. Then the table name is class. First column name is class ID. It is the primary key as well as it has the auto increment function and the data type is int. Okay, then let's go to the next column. Name is class name. It has 45 variable characters. Okay, it's also updated successfully. Then let's go to the next requirement. Fourth, create a table called subject to store the subjects taught in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. Okay, let's create it. Table name student, column names, data types and lengths. Double click on here, click on the area you want. Again double click on the table to rename it. Table name is subject. The next column name is subject ID. It is the primary key and it also has auto function and data type is int. The next column name is subject name. It has 45 variable characters. Okay, here you can see that. In the last requirement, create a table with the term exam term to store the term tests in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. Here are instructions. Let's create as it also. Double click on here, place a new table, click on the area, again double click on the table to rename. Table name is exam term. Okay. Yes. First column name is term ID. The data type is int as well as the primary key. Also this column, so it has auto increment function. Term ID int auto increment function. Then let's go to the next column, term name. It has 45 variable characters. The last column name is exam date. Data type is date. Okay, here is the 4 tables. Our requirements are done successfully. Okay, let's meet in the next video. Thank you.